Here's Sarah Keith Lucas. And Sarah, we've got some info on what the weather will be like across the country, what the weather has been like, I beg your pardon, across the country for the month of August.
Absolutely, Victoria. Well, it's been a mixed old summer, certainly. As we're stepping through into the first week of meteorological autumn and the first week of September, the weather is just quietening down a little bit. So we're starting to see something drier and brighter, certainly in comparison to August. August for you, in some parts of the country, was the wettest August on record. Not everywhere, it was very mixed, but Bournemouth, for instance, had 2.5 times the expected amount of rainfall. August wasn't a washout across the whole of the country, though. Believe it or not, we did have some fine sunshine too. Ronaldsway on the Isle of Man was the sunniest place, and there we had 234 hours, believe it or not, of lovely sunshine. So it was a bit mixed, but it has been rather unsettled. So as we're heading through now into the first week of September, things are quietening down, as I said. We should start to see some drier and some brighter conditions, but through the course of today, yes, we've got a little bit of sunshine on offer, but also some pretty heavy showers too, and the odd rumble of thunder, perhaps even some hail mixed in with those showers as well. So at the moment, there's high pressure out in the Atlantic, and that's trying to move its way in across the country, but it's also meeting low pressure across Scandinavia. And with those two pressure systems, we're left with a northerly breeze. So the wind's coming down from a northerly direction, quite a chilly direction. So temperatures a little bit below average for the time of year. As you can see, today is a day of sunshine and scattered showers. The showers will be heaviest across the southern half of the country, but that's also where we'll have more in the way of sunshine. So let's have a look around the country. 4 o'clock this afternoon for the Channel Isles and for the southwest of England, some decent sunshine. Also a few hefty showers though, and also for the southeast of England, sunny spells, a few showers, perhaps the odd rumble of thunder as we move our way across parts of the Midlands, Wales and northern England too. Fewer showers, I think, for the southwest of Scotland and for Northern Ireland, a little bit lighter here too, but fairly cloudy. And for northern and eastern parts of Scotland, the rain less heavy compared to yesterday, but still a few showers on the cards. Moving through into this evening and overnight, we keep that cool northerly wind and some showery rain, especially across northern and eastern areas. But for most places, the showers tending to ease away. And as it becomes drier overnight, temperatures really dipping 9 or 10 degrees in our towns and cities. But in more rural areas, first thing Thursday will be pretty chilly. We could see those temperatures as low as around about 2 degrees above freezing across the countryside of Scotland, for instance. Through the day tomorrow then, it's a similar day to today, but we've got that low pressure in the North Sea and trailing weather fronts moving their way south, so there could be some more persistent showery rain for parts of eastern Scotland, the northeast of England for instance too. Away from the northeast, we've got less of a wind around, a bit more in the way of brightness, but again some scattered showers, fairly similar to today really. And look at those temperatures, around about 12 to 17 Celsius, so cooler than we'd expect for the time of year. A similar day once again for Friday, but we're starting to see a bit of a change as that low pressure moves south. We could see some rain for parts of East Anglia and the southeast, but elsewhere the showers tending to ease away a little bit during the course of Friday, and temperatures still in the mid, possibly the high teens at best. Then looking ahead now into the weekend, the showers that we've got over the next few days tending to ease away, so fewer showers on the cards, a little bit in the way of sunshine. The cold wind that we've got will tend to ease later on through the weekend. It will feel warmer by day, but we're also expecting to have some chilly conditions overnight. So that's the outlook through the course of the weekend. The next few days rather unsettled, rather showery. As we head through the weekend, things gradually starting to improve.